do an experiment with my stuff from school from Valentine's Day.
Okay, so this is Valentine's science she got from school. She is in the 2nd grade. In the bag, it has a lot of stuff: pencils, popsicle sticks, cinnamon candies, rubber bands, and balloons, and all sorts of things. This is the book, Valentine's Science Experiment. Love is in the air. Is there air in there?
Go outside and blow your bubbles. How do you know there is air in there? Do you have evidence? Which way did they blow? Try blowing your bubbles fast. How did they work? Now try blowing the air softly, which had better results.
Now let's do it!
Okay, so they blew all over the place. I don't know, they blew.
Freeze.
Well, it's hard to see because it's cold. Okay, so they blew that way.
I got the balloon.
That's not a balloon, that's a balloon. It's cold, huh? Oh, I'm stepping in here. Okay. Oh, I just got that on my ankle. Oh, well, it's hard to do this one because it's freezing out here. As y'all can see, we got nothing but snow. We ain't finna be out here freezing. The bubble experiment was a fail, okay? Straight fail. Back in the house.
Now we're gonna do the red hot experiment.
Which will melt first. So basically, you gotta get out of your bag 3 of the red hot candies.
They're not red,
And
they're not candy.
it is candy. Please let this girl know these are candies. She got 3 of those and 3 cups because she is going to fill 1 cup with cold water, 1 cup with room temperature water, and the last cup with hot water. She has to leave it here for an hour to see which one will melt first. So open them all up and put them inside. The time is currently 5:25. We will come back at 6:25.
Now we're doing the warm fuzzy launcher.
We need a tissue, tube thingy.
And a balloon, some tape, and scissors.
Also, you need the small Pom Poms.
Mom and Maya, because we did experiments.
I'm gonna take the balloon, tie it in a knot, and put it on the end of the tube and tape it up. And then she can shoot it off to see how far it goes or if it shoots slow or fast.
We have the Pom Pom in it. My mom made it. Now we're going to test it out. But my mom lost one on that accident.
Just try to aim it towards the door or something
Okay.
so we can see where it goes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was
It
good.
flew backwards. That is crazy.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that went in the sink. Lucky it didn't go down.
And one went behind there. Okay, 3, 2.
It fell out. That's a fail.
Well, that's it for this video. If you want me to do more, give it a big thumbs up. Bye!
So here's the results from the red hot experience. Obviously, the hot water was going to dissolve the candy faster. Thanks again for watching. Bye.